root 3L is telling, and there's a bob. It is released from rest. What is the length of the string is L, but how much this distance is telling root 3L by 2. Root 3L by 2 definitely will be less than L. If the string were straight, no, the bob would have been somewhere here. No, I'll release it. So how long it will fall freely? How long it will fall freely? So look at this. So this will be the, now what happened? The string will be jerk. Is asking ball will experience jerk impulse, velocity of ball. Yeah, okay. This much is needed. Let's come for this. So what is this distance? This is root 3L by 2. This is L. So can we get this theta? Cos theta is equal to
30 degrees.
Yeah, theta 30 degrees. Let me write it here. Theta 30 degrees. Just before jerking. So this will have a speed u. That's all, no? After jerk, just after jerk, means a jerk will be produced. No, what can happen to the ball? No. So this is just before jerk. So I'll resolve the velocity of the bob perpendicular to string, parallel to the string. So this should be the u perpendicular and this should be the u parallel. Now when jerk is produced, so here an impulse is set up. Now which component will change, which component will not change? U parallel, what will happen? The bob wants to move away. The bob wants to move away from point of suspension, but the tension string will nullify it. So what will happen to this? This will get nullified. I'm using word nullified. Don't say vanish, better say nullified. The impulse setup, the string will be jerked, and because of the jerk produced, an impulse is set up. That impulse will nullify it. And what happens? This component will remain as it is. So just after jerk, we get a situation like this. Velocity of the ball just after experiencing the jerk. So what can be this height? H sine theta. So H should be equal to L by 2. So what is the velocity U? U should be equal to root of 2GH root GL. Then velocity of ball just after experiencing jerk is, after experiencing jerk, only U parallel will be nullified, no? Here. So what is U perpendicular? U perpendicular, this is theta. This should be theta. So U perpendicular should be U cos theta. U root 3 by 2. What is U? Root GL root 3. So this will be. Okay, fine. So this is the U perpendicular will be U cos theta. Velocity of ball just after experiencing jerk will be. Impulse applied by the string. How to calculate impulse? The impulse only will nullify it. So that impulse should be equal to mu parallel, or it should be along the string. Mu parallel minus j equal to this much. So mu parallel should be equal to u sine theta. U is how much? Root GL. Mass of the, if you substitute the mass of the bob, no, then look at that value of that one here. This is impulse. A ball will experience jerk after reaching to the point B. No, point B is somewhere here telling. Just before reaching point B only, it will experience a jerk. When it arrives here, it will have some velocity. You should apply conservation of mechanical energy between these 2 points. I
Sir,
call this is.
sir, C option we won't get, sir. We'll get root GL by 20, not root over the whole thing.
Oh, option will check it. Velocity of ball, okay, no? Velocity of ball just after experiencing jerk is root 3 GL by 2. What we got it?
Sir, C option, sir.
Only C option. Huh?
No, sir, we'll get A and B. We won't get C option.
Mass of the ball 0.1.
Yes, sir.
G length of the string, everything okay, no?
Sir, we'll only get A, sir.
We'll only get A, yeah?
No, sir, we'll get A and yes, sir, we'll get only A, sir. Because in B option also they gave root over the whole thing. That is not correct, sir.
Okay, this is some correction there. I'll make it. Then this impulse you have to check calculation. Maybe he has missed with calculations. I'll do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no. So the impulse will come in several ways like this. Just check the calculation once. I think I'll make change for here also. Root 3 L by 2. Cos theta will be 30 degrees. This is theta, this is theta. Fine. Yeah. Velocity u will be resolving u perpendicular u cos theta. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, this much only. Come for this. Only we took 2, no? I'm just bringing the 3 balls now. 3 particles ABC of masses M1, M2. The threads are straight. The angle between them is theta 60 as shown in figure. Ball is projected with velocity u parallel to the thread connecting the balls B and C.